Calling all the messengers, calling all the messengers, calling all the messengers. Can you hear it? Yeah, we've been given a call, been forgiven, risen, we living to give them our all. Rise up from your past that's holding you down. This moment is all that matters, the future is now. How will the people know if we don't tell them? If we fail them, they stumbling in the dark, but the light is what we carry, yeah. Don't have to wonder your purpose or what you here for. Reflect His image and show the world what He cares for. And I know it's alright, right, and you know it's your lie, and we know the time's running out. Can't wait around, cause yeah. Calling all the messengers, calling all the messengers, calling all the messengers. Can you hear I've been a lot of places where the scene ain't pretty. I've seen plenty of hatred, death and destruction, where ignorance kills many. The blind leading the blind, we turning a blind eye. That alone is a crime, we got the power of life. I know that we make mistakes, don't let them keep you away. Mercy, love, and His grace is the reason we move ahead. Speak out, though we never been qualified to do it. I ain't earned it, I was loved into it, I'm brand new, yeah. And I know it's alright, right, and you know it's your lie, and we know the time's running out. Can't wait around, cause yeah. Calling all the messengers, calling all the messengers.
Tikrai dar kartą noriu padėkoti fanam, jie atėjo, palaikė mus, buvo sunkios varžybos ir tikrai vien dėl fanų paramos mes tikrai pasiekėm šią pergalę. Noriu dedikuoti šią pergalę mūsų ištikimiem fanam. Jau trečias sezonas mano ir pats sėkmingiausias. Man kol kas lengviau vis darosi kiekvienais metais. Pradžia buvo sunkoka, o dabar kuo tolyn, dabar manau tie žydėjimo metai yra krepšininko, tai kuo tolyn, to lengvyn, tikiuosi taip ir tęsis.